Hi everyone, welcome to my art room. Today's video is going to be something a little different on a black base. I'm going to do some little swipes with some opaque and transparent bloom paint. I'll probably do two, so stick around and see what I'm doing. Okay, hi everybody. I'm getting my paints ready here. So I'm going to use, instead of my black house paint today, I did one with black house paint. Maybe I can show it to you. This one here. And it dried okay. It was over top of another canvas, but my house paint, I don't know what it was. It's got some ripples in it. So maybe it wasn't stirred enough, or I'm not sure. It didn't crack. Pretty much everything stayed the same. So I gotta give it another good stir, I guess. But I'm gonna use, this is dried results anyways from my video from this. So I'm gonna use some Artist Loft Flow Acrylic that I mixed up with some Floetrol. It's regular Floetrol. So I'm gonna try this and see how this works. Every time I do these little tiles, I always think of blooms. I just love doing little blooms. But this is going to be a little swipe. I wonder if blooms would work with this pillow paint. I should try one. Maybe I will. Gonna make it come to the edge. All right. Okay. So I've got some Extreme Sheen Deco Art paints. One's coral and one's a rose quartz. And I think I'll put in, if I have enough of this color shift, I have some color shift turquoise. It's called Emerald Flash. And what else do I have? A little bit of pearl white. I'm going to try that too. Maybe red. We'll see. We'll see how these go. So I've just got some little cards cut. All right, let's try this. I'm just put a little bit of white. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do a circle first. Swipe a circle. I feel like I'm doing a bloom. And then some of this. This is a pretty pink. I haven't used this one before, I don't think. I'm going to swipe with my white Cell Activator. I didn't want to do one this big, but I will. Not so many there. I'm gonna try my yellow Cell Activator and see how if it works any different. That's really big cells there. Oops, I got black in there. Oh, they made nice big cells. I want some more in the middle. I'm just gonna now I have a big white center. Now I have an idea. I'll get my black Cell Activator and go over the white and see what happens. Of course, it's not going to show up there, is it? What would happen if I do it? Oh, that's kind of funky. Don't care about the middle though. What I could do is let the middle settle in a bit. And I'll take my I have to get my skewer. And I'll just still concave in the middle. Can see one stuck right there. There. Okay, I could probably spin it now. I don't think I need to spin it much. There, that's enough spinning, I think. Ah, that's kind of cool. I'm going to leave it. I'm going to do a bloom with this black paint and see what happens. If I can get this off here. There, isn't that pretty? I'll come right back. Well, I think I'm going to end this video. I'm going to do another one. Actually, you know what? Let's see how much time I have left. I don't have a lot of time left, so yeah, I'll do another one in another video. So come back to Carol's Art Room and have a good day, everybody. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. Here's my dried little tile that I did. Dried really good. A bit of a shine there. You can tell, but it's pretty good. I like it on black. I like the little swipes on black. It looks awesome. There you go. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.